Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Jamnagar. It is from Gujarat. Let us discuss one by one in detail. So firstly, there is a job opening for storekeeper. So it is from Adishwaram Corporation. So the salary would be 12,000 to 18,000 rupees per month for this position, and it will be day shift. So 7 years of experience is required in electrical department. So it will be a full-time job. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for customer service representative. It is from Niagara Financial Services. So you can check here with the application deadline and also expected start date. And the salary will be 6,000 to 9,000 rupees per month for this position, and you are going to get some benefits like health insurance, like that, and it will be a day shift. And coming to education qualification, it would be higher secondary 12th pass, so it is preferred. So you should be having like knowing the languages. It would be like English, Hindi, and Gujarati is preferred. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for storekeeper. So it is from Adishwaram Corporation. So it will be a full-time job, and they are going to offer a salary will be 12,000 to 18,000 rupees per month for this position. And you can see here it will be day shift, and you should be having the experience. It will be 7 years, and in the department of electrical. So you can check here with the job description, that is you should be responsible for receiving and accepting incoming materials supplied by their vendors at the site, and proper storage of incoming materials either at ACPL open store or storage container at site, and preparation of GRN and submit it along with all dispatch documents to procurement team for cost booking, and reporting material received progress to site manager and PM, and submission of invoices along with all necessary documents to customer site office for further process. So I can check here with all the details mentioned here, and if you want to apply for this position and also to know more detailed information about this position, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for admission counselor for this company, Kidji. So only female candidates are required for this position, and it will be either full time or part time, and you are going to get the salary will be 10,000 to 15,000 rupees per month. We are going to get some benefits such as paid sick time and paid time off, and so it will be completely day shift, that is morning shift, and so bachelor's degree is preferred for this position. So interested candidates who are looking for this type of position, so you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for sales executive. So it is from Kodiyar Brass Int. So coming to responsibilities, it would be you need to attend phone calls and emailing and client coordination, filing and paperwork, and preparing sales quotation. So these are the responsibilities, and you can work like full time or as a volunteer if you it's your wish. And coming to salary, it would be 7,000 to 11,000 rupees per month, and you are going to get some benefits, so you can check here. So interested candidates, for more detailed information and also to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for digital marketing executive. So it is from Publicity Port, and it is for fresher candidates. So the salary will be 12,500 to 17,500 rupees per month, and it will be completely day shift. So education qualification will be bachelor's degree. So coming to skills required, the candidate should have good experience of Google and Facebook ads, and also should have some experience in a variety of industries like e-commerce, real estate, international real estate, automobiles and many more, and should be good at creating and copies, and also should be creative and learn new techniques. So these are the skills required for this position. So you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for English teacher. So it is from IBT Institute Private Limited. So coming to job description, they required a part-time English faculty in Jamnagar, Gujarat. So who can teach to the students preparing for banking, SSC and other competitive exams, and 250 per hour salary will be provided for the candidates. So experience is preferred for these positions. So it will be a part-time. So I can check here with the salary details mentioned here. So it will be completely day shift. So if you want to know more detailed information or else or to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for veterinary doctor. So it is from City Veterinary Clinic. So it will be a full-time job, and you are going to get a salary will be 35,000 to 45,000 rupees per month. So it will be completely day shift, and you should be having 1 year of total experience to apply for this position. So interested candidates, if you want to apply, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for AutoCAD designer. So it is from Venus Enterprise. So they need experienced candidates in AutoCAD designer, 2D and 3D drawings with the SolidWorks, other design software for full-time for brass industry, and weight calculation knowledge is must from 2D or 3D drawing. So it will be a full-time job, and they are going to offer a salary will be 15,000 rupees per month, and so you can check here with the other details mentioned here. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.